So I got something in the mail today that I'm gonna try out on my hair. I have freshly washed hair and I got this guy. It's been super popular, which I'm sure you guys have seen already all over Instagram, but it's this 3-barrel crimper. I think this is so cool. I used to be obsessed with crimping my hair back in the day, but it was like awful crimp, like super tiny, looked awful. So we're gonna try it out and see how it looks. It might turn out awful on me again, but we're gonna try. It looks good on those that have tried it. So here's what it looks like. So it has a little temperature thing here, the little guard right here that you can pop it up, and look at that. How cool is that? So we're gonna try it out on my hair. Don't know what's gonna happen, but let's do it. We're gonna start with some dry texture spray. Since my hair is clean, we wanna really dirty it up. And we also want some heat protectant. So you guys know I have extensions. I actually shared a video on how I wash my hair on hair wash day. So I will link it down in the description and up above as well. Okay, let's do this. Just gonna brush it out quick. And then I'm gonna section my hair. Watching Vampire Diaries right now. Can you see my outgrowth of my hair extensions? I'm thinking about cutting them out while in quarantine. They were due last week for a move up. So we'll see how long they last. I'm gonna start with the back. This is my first time doing this, so we're gonna see what happens. I don't know how long I'm supposed to leave it on there for, so I'm gonna just do that long and see what happens. So you just have to guide it to like the next hump there, and then I'm gonna leave the bottom straight. I'm gonna go right there, bottom straight. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Oh, okay. Since this is the under layer, I'm just gonna leave that and then we're gonna work our way forward. I'm gonna leave it on just a little bit longer.
Ooh, look at those waves.
Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Hot mama.
Do you remember when people crimped their hair?
Yep.
I did, but it was like a tiny crimper. Okay, all done. Look how crazy. I haven't touched it like as far as like brushing it out or anything. I'm gonna spray it. I'm afraid of what's gonna happen when I brush it out. I'm just gonna use this brush here. This is from T3. It's just like a wide tooth dry brush for your hair. I'm just gonna go through it and see. I feel like it's gonna be bad news. Not too bad. Now I'm gonna add some volume. Okay, I think I'm gonna go through and straighten some of these pieces. Okay, all done. So I'm gonna actually throw this little clip in it because my real hair isn't wanting, it just like doesn't look right with like the breakup. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, twist it back, and pin it with this little barrette. There we go. Okay, I don't think that's bad. And I like it brushed out too. I think it definitely like helps blend everything better. This thing is only like 30 some dollars on Amazon too. I will link. Woo! This tool is only, I think it's under 30. It might be around the $30 or under $30 range on Amazon. That's where I got it, and it was able to ship Prime, so it came super quickly. I'm impressed. I like it. It took a little bit of time, but as with curling your hair and whatnot, it's gonna take a little bit of time, but you guys will have to let me know what you think down in the comments. I have tried crimping my hair in the past, so I was like very weary on trying this trend again, but I like it. I like it. I like it with the clip too, just because my hair is kind of crazy looking. I actually just got a notification that the stay-at-home order for Wisconsin has been extended. So I will be inside for another month. So these extensions are definitely going to be coming out, and I will film it when my husband takes them out. So hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and that notification bell to get notified each time a new video goes up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.